It's Sunday morning, Blizzard Beach. It's a Sunday morning, late November, actually the Sunday after Thanksgiving. We have not been to Blizzard Beach in a very long time. I want to say the last time we were here, Star Wars Weekends was still a thing. But this year, we paid extra for our passes to have the water parks included, and we've not made it here yet. So passes expire in February. We're gonna at least get one trip out of them here.
One trip.
Just being completely honest, even though we love the Disney water parks, we've been to Volcano Bay more often than not, at least as far as water parks are concerned. And of the Disney water parks, we prefer Typhoon Lagoon more than Blizzard Beach, but that's closed. If you're curious about single day tickets, $70 for one day. Welcome to Blizzard Beach. Oh, look who it is! Are you kidding me? It's snowing! Oh my God.
How you doing?
Santa, I dig your style.
I like yours.
Oh.
You got it right. Coming in.
Yeah.
I'll see you on Christmas, baby.
You better not. You better be sleeping. No peeking this year. No peeking.
That's how you get your present.
Hi, so how do you say Merry Christmas in Orlando?
Mai Tais, please.
Not heard that one yet, but
Yes. All right.
We need the drinks here. At least Christmas drinks.
Yes.
all around the map.
Like a candy cane as well?
Why not?
One for the road.
Oh boy, they're like,
I know we're fancy here.
yeah. Thank you. Oh no! Low flying gators. So it is roughly 75 degrees out right now, going up to a balmy 82, but the pools are all heated up to 81 degrees here as well. Here's a look at the map. Memorize it quick. Ooh, the wait time's already. It literally just opened 5 minutes ago. There's a lot to digest, just gonna be honest. I'm like staring at all of the words. I think we'll mostly be lazy rivering and wave pooling, and maybe the tube slides. Lockers, stores. Oh, you could buy Lost Children over here. Before we go on anything, we'll take a spin around. Check out Tykes Peak. This is important. Do not drink the pool water. Also equally important. Heading into Tykes Peak. Loaded with leaves. Little kid water slides. Not a little water slide, and a little pool over here. A little snowman from Frozen. And there's Anna and Elsa. Lazy river. Lots of leaves and foliage. There's another look. Little cabanas over here too. Due to unfavorable ski conditions, Teamboat Springs wait times are longer than expected. Purple and red to the left, green to the right. Cabanas are pretty cool looking. Gonna come up on food, and there's the chairlift to get to some of the steeper slides. Food and beverages is closed currently due to melting snow. An Avalanche is closed right now, and I think this opens at 11. Draft beer's $14 for the first, $8 refills, and that's for premium and craft. Domestic is $12 and $7. Not that anybody watching this channel likes to drink at all, or us for that matter. Ski Patrol Training Camp. This area is meant for preteens. Some more smaller slides. And you got this interesting ropes course that you gotta hold onto the rope and kind of navigate the ice on the bottom and walk across. You gonna do it? It's a good look. It looks like snow machines. So in addition to Summit Plummet and Crush Gusher, I think is the name, there's also a really awesome family raft that you could take this up to the top. It's not a single person dealio, so I'm not going to be doing it today as far as I know, And Mary's a little nervous about that one, but I have done that before with Jess and with friends. That raft ride is awesome. You can kind of see over here where different rafts and things taking place, and these clouds moving so quick up top there. That's not part of the Disney magic. There's beach chairs everywhere. Some more of these patios or cabanas. Get a good view here. Patio 1. Got a little fridge. Over here, the area that we were just looking at with the ropes course. There's the family raft ride area. The exit. We've come up to Meltaway Bay. Strong waves may occur. And this is their wave pool. It's constant waves. Lots of entry points. And in the middle of the beach, they kind of have these premium shade places. Polar Pub, not open yet, but I can hear them in there. This view is good because you can see in the distance, like Summit Plummet up top. All those clouds coming in too. Back to the purple and red slope sidewalk. That's the home of the ice gator. The ice gator's brother lives at Typhoon Lagoon. I can't remember their names. Some seats for Meltaway Bay that are not on the sand, so you're not getting all sand stuck on you. Purple slope, red slope. There is hardly anyone here. Oh, there we go. Get on this right side one. Almost by a full second. Whoa. Yes! And if you're not sure if these are raft rides or mat rides, the icons will tell you the difference there. Another raft ride up this way. More rafts. Some people up there. Whee! Whee! All right, walking back to the locker so that we can drop stuff off, get a chair, get in the lazy river. Anything we film around the water will be on this little Insta360 Go 2, not in the electronics case. So it's like a 10-minute, 15-minute battery life. Hopefully it'll last. That is before you put it back in the case and it recharges, similar to like earpods or AirPods. 81 is a little cold. It's a little chilly. There goes the rafts. Oh boy. I think the guy behind me has like a Christmas float. Oh my god. Oh goodness. Easy like Sunday morning. This is the life. Late November in a lazy river. Yep. Coming up on the ice skater. Also growing things in his garden like chili peppers, ice plants, sleet corn, iceberg lettuce of course, broccoli, and snow peas. She gone. This is like the longest lazy river of all time. And then the tubes go up that conveyor belt. We got a snack, Mickey with half an ear and cheese. Chairlift to Mount Gushmore. And away we go. How you doing?
Good.
All the way back. And almost to the top. In the distance, Everest and Pandora. This side you can see Tower of Terror out in the distance. Her life decisions. Any last statements?
Oh, this is good. Oh my God.
Oh, big ramp. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
You made it.
That's cold.
I don't think it's good yet. Oh, because of that. Yep.
Was it okay? There's a snowdrift ahead. Oh, the last minute freezing water. She lived to tell the tale, and there's no PhotoPass guy here now to commemorate. It is so nice and just warm. Not too hot. No, you go right in there. All right, Blizzard Beach, we are getting out of here. This was a really fun day. The only thing that wasn't fun, I'm not going to spoil the whole day by when we came back to our chairs, there was somebody that had literally dumped my stuff onto the floor, including the electronics case for the go-to camera, which is electronic. So when I interrupted them, they didn't want to turn around, and I interrupted them again, and then kind of at least called them out. And the woman just, the family could not care less. The woman got up and left. The husband sat and was like, just whatever. And it can happen anywhere. So it's not just a Disney thing. I know going back a few years ago, we went to Volcano Bay, and my buddy went in the lazy river, came back out, and his flip-flops were stolen. So it can happen wherever. I guess moral of the story, don't leave stuff on your chair, no matter how secure things might be and stuff. But anyway, it was awesome. I'm anxious to get back to Typhoon Lagoon. I wish Typhoon Lagoon never got rid of the shark swimming area. That was my favorite thing to do at that park, or pretty much any of these water parks. That would be like ranking number one of the water parks for me. But I think, be it as it may, if I rank the water parks, if you're coming to Orlando and you're not local and you don't have access to all of the places and you're thinking about where to go, I would say Volcano Bay is probably the best, and then followed by Typhoon Lagoon, and then Blizzard Beach, and then the SeaWorld water park. We've never gone over to H2O yet, so I can't judge them. I've not heard fantastic things, but I can't say for myself. But for now, getting out of here. Thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. This one went on the ski lift and that slide, and she's
family slide, yeah.
Terrified of heights and killed it. So awesome day. Thanks a lot. See ya.